everyone, today we are going to show an experiment called dancing rains. For this experiment we will be needing an empty glass, some paper towels or tissues, a sprite bottle, some raisins and a glass of water. So now first we will take some raisins and we will put these raisins in the water. You can see those raisins are sinking. Next, we will take the sprite and put it inside the empty glass. Once we pour, we will take some raisins and put it inside. We will see what happens. You can see the raisins are floating. But in this glass, the raisins are sinking. Oh, why is it happening like that? Because the sprite is containing carbon dioxide bubbles or air bubbles. And you know, the air bubble like to attract something and attach to it. Same, the air bubbles attracted to the raisins. But the raisin sinks and the air bubbles float. How? So when the air bubbles takes up the raisins can't stand and the raisins go inside and sink. So this happened and you can see that it looks like it's dancing. But actually the raisins will sink. The raisins are hard, that is why they sink. So, this is the experiment called dancing raisins. Thank you and bye for now.